Hey, welcome back guys to the Minecraft Military Force, and today we're going to be building this epic Ticonderoga class cruiser, CG-61 USS Monterey. So this is a 1.5 to 1 scale, just like our Lake Bird Destroyer, and this build is designed by Sketchzi, so thanks to him for actually building the original design, and he also has a Planet Minecraft page, so if you guys want to support them, you can drop a diamond on his project. But yeah, let's go over the build. So this is a cruiser of the United States Navy. It's armed right over here with two Mark 45 5-inch naval gun systems. There's also one in the back. And right over here, these are the Mark 41 VLS, which is the vertical launching system, so it fires missiles up in the air. It also has a Suez system right over there. And in the back, there is a helicopter hangar for Seahawks, so you can place one inside here, then maybe one out in the launch pad. And back over here, here's the other gun, the other VLS, and also right over here, these are some harpoon missiles. So that's the armaments of this build. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's actually quite an advanced build, but I know a lot of people have been asking for the Ticonderoga, and it's actually built since 2019, which is last year. So sorry it took a long time to build it, but now we're gonna finally get started. So here's what the Ticonderoga class cruiser looks like out of water compared to the Lake Bird. And I've actually gotten a new idea how to do this tutorial, because last time I was doing it layer by layer horizontally, but now I have an idea. What if I just make these curving lines instead? That'll be a lot easier, and then we'll just fill them in one go. So the first thing we're going to do is make this black line, and this is the water line that's basically in the water right here. So we're going to use World Edit for this just to save us time, and we're going to make this 10 blocks long. So I'm going to make that 10, then we're going to go diagonally outwards, add another black concrete. This is going to be 9 blocks long, and then the next one is going to be 8 blocks long. That. Then this one's going to be 9 blocks long. Right there. And then we're going to have 8. And we're going to do this 4 times. So this is 1. And then the second 8. And then the third 8. And then the fourth 8. Like that. Next, we're going to make it 10. That. And then we're going to add another 10. Then we're going to make it 12. Then we're going to make it 14. Then we're going to make it 68 long, and this is the longest part. So 68. Alright, once we do that, we're going to go back over here and go inside. And this is going to be 22 blocks long. Like that, and then in again, 17 long. And next it's going to be, and then this part's going to be 13 blocks long. Then last, it's going to be 9 blocks long. Alright, so once we reach the back part, we're going to make this middle part go inside, so it's going to be 9 blocks across. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now let's move back to the front. So now I'm going to make the hole based on lines. Now to make the lines, we're going to take stone, go to the front here, and we're going to add stone diagonally forward. Now this is going to count as 1 since we're going to be filling in this middle layer later, so just be aware of that. And I'm going to make it 11 blocks towards the front, so this is going to be 1. Then this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. At 11, we would add a stone brick slab underneath, oak slab right here to the side, another one on top of here, and then in the middle, we're going to add oak slab like that, and then an upper oak slab right there, or I don't even know if that's an upper, just it goes up like that, and then we'll add an oak stairs underneath, upside down, like so. Then on top of this oak, we're going to add a stone, make it 3 blocks long. Then we'll add 2 stone brick slabs underneath it. Then we'll go back over here, work on the next layer. And this is going to start as 1, so it's like 1 like that. And the next one, this is going to count as 2. Even though we're placing 3 blocks, you know, we're just counting the overhang because later, again, we're filling that in. I don't want to get anyone confused. So this counts as 1, then this is 2. And then we're going to add 1. Then we're going to add 2 here. Then we're going to add 1. Then we're going to add 2 here. Then I'm going to add 2. Then another 2. Then another 2. Then another 2. Then another 2. And then another 2. And we should reach up to that point with the oak. If you did the oak, that means you did it right. Then I'm going to add stone here. Make it 2 blocks long like that. Alright, so I think we'll leave it as that. And then we'll move on to our next layer here. Alright, so for layer number 3, let's go over here. And we're going to add a stone block. Goes diagonally forward, so this counts as 1. Then go up and add 2. Up, add 2. Up, add 2. Another 2 above it. Another 2. And then it's going to be 3. Then 2. Then 3. And then 2. Then 3. And then 2. And then 3. On top like that. Alright, so now layer number 4, which is the stone one now. So let's get started. Just add 1 overhang here. Then it's going to be 2. Then 2 again. Then 2 again. Then 3. Then 2. Then 3. And then 2. And then 3. And then 3 again. And then 3 again. And then another 3. And on top another 3. Like that. Alright, so now we're up to layer number 5. That's going to be the pink now. So to do that, let's go down over here. And it looks to be a 2 block overhang this time. So like that, 2. Then we'd go up and add 2. Add another 2. Then we're going to add 3. Then 2. Then 3. Another 3. Another 3. Yet another 3. Then add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. And then 4. Like that. So now we're moving on to layer number 6, which is a stone after the pink. So let's go here and add a 2 block overhang stone. Up 2. Then 3. Then 2. Then 3. Then another 3. then another 3, then another 3 here, and then another 3, and then another 3. Then we're going to add another 3, and then we're going to add 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we're up to layer number 7. So it should be the blue now. So let's go down here. It looks to be overhang of 2. Then go up 2. And then it looks to be 3. And then 3. So here's 3. Another 3. Another 3. Another 3 again. Another 3. Another 3. And then another 3. Then it's going to be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then another 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, like that. Alright, for layer number 8, which is the stone, it's going to be starting off with an overhang of 2. Then it's going to be 3. Then it's going to be 2. And then we're going to have 3. 3. 3 again. Another 3. Then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 3. Then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for layer number 9, we're going to add 2 overhangs. Then 3. Then 2. Then 3. Then another 3. Then 4. Then 3. Then 4. Another 4. Another 4. And another 4. So for layer number 10, that's the one with the stairs. So let's take stone brick stairs, add 1 here to the ledge, make it 3 blocks long, go diagonally inwards and add 2. Then we'll add stone block on the inside part. Then on top of this, I'm going to have an overhang of 3 for this one, like that. And then we'll add 3 more. Then another 3. And then 4. Then 3. Then 4. Then another 4. Then another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Layer number 11, that's going to have overhang of 3. 1, 2, 3. Then go up 3. Up 3. Up 3. Up 3. Then add 4. Add another 4. Then add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like so. So layer number 12. We're going to add an overhang of 3. Go up 3. Up 3. Up 3. Up 3. Alright, and then we'll add in 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Add another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. then add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And add 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add another 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So for layer number 13, we're going to add stone brick stairs right out to here. Stick one out past the ledge, and we're going to add another 3 on this side. 1, 2, 3, so it's 5 blocks long like that. Then we'll take stone and add 3 in front of that stairs. Go up and add 3. 1, 2, 3. Go up and add 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then up, add 3. 1, 2, 3. Then add another 3. I'm going to add 4. Another 4. And then another 4. And then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Next, we're going to add 11 stone after the stairs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then 5 stairs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then go to the back. Right to this ledge. So then we're going to take stone, go right over here, make it go 1 block past the edge. Go diagonally up. Add another one here, and then diagonally up, add another one. And this one we're going to make it go so it's like 2 blocks tall like that. And I'm going to go diagonally back, add 1 here, and then diagonally back, and then make this part 2 blocks tall. Then 1 block, and then 2 blocks tall like that. Alright, so let's move on to our next layer right over here. So for this layer, we're going to have an overhang of 3. And then it will go up. Add 1 here. Then go up, and then this is going to be 2 blocks long. Then go up, add 1. And then up and add, so it's like 2 blocks tall like that. Then we're going to go back, add another 2 blocks here. Then add 1 sticking up here. Then we're going to add 2 stone brick slabs here. And let's make an L shape of stone behind here. Stone brick slab in the front. I'm going to make another L shape. Stone brick stairs in this corner. And then we're going to go and add another 2 blocks here. Add stone brick stairs in that corner again. Alright, then we'll take stone and we're going to line that up to the other pillar that we made. Right over there like so. So now we're going to make the next layer, so go right over here and add 3 block long overhang. Then we're going to add 1 here. Then it's going to be 2. Then it's going to be 1. Then it's going to be 2. Then it's going to be 1, like that. Then we're going to make this top section 7 blocks long, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then it's going to go down, add stone here, and then make it go all the way across diagonal to the other pillar that we just made like that. Add another 2 close to this end. Then we'll take stone brick slabs, add 2 here, and then 2 upside down stone brick stairs facing each other. Then we'll take stone brick slabs all the way across. Right over here, we're going to skip 2 blocks and then add another 2 upside down stone brick stairs facing each other like so. Alright, so now for the next layer, we're going to add a 3 block long overhang again. And then we're going to add 2 here. Add another 2. Add another 2. And once we reach this part, should line up. And we're going to make this part 3 blocks tall. So 1, 2, and 3 like that. Then we're going to make this point go all the way back diagonal to that other pillar that we made right here. Then we're going to add a block of quartz 2 by 2 right in this nook. Like that. Then we'll take out stone. Add a line right over here. It goes all the way up to the rest of the deck. Then we're going to extend this line all the way across to the center. Once we reach the center, we're going to add stone brick stairs to the side of it. Stone brick slab in the middle. It's going to be an upper. And we're going to add 2 end rods adjacent to that. Then we're going to add stone block here. Stone brick stairs upside down. And then another one right side up underneath it. And then we'll take cyan terracotta and add 3 blocks. Like that. And let's add a stone block underneath. Then we'll go to this edge here and add 2 skeleton skulls. And iron bar all the way behind it. Goes across like that, and the inner part here is going to go inside like that. Wrap it around, connects to that, goes all the way across this top section till it looks like that. And I realized I just did this part wrong. These 2 stairs should be right side up. And then we'll add stone brick slabs on the top of it. My apologies. So now it should look like this. Then we're going to go right over here to this stone, and we're going to make it connect to the other side, so just a straight line across. Like so. So after you finish that, let's go over here to this outer layer, and we're going to go to this point, and we're going to add a stone brick right above it. Then it's going to go 1 block past that bottom stone like that. Then we're going to go right over here to this layer and add a stone brick stairs upside down facing each other, 2 of them on the very top like that. Let's add an iron bar right behind it, and then a stone brick slab here, and then stone brick, and it's going to go all the way till we reach the other stone brick like that. Then we're going to add stone brick slab right above this part. It's going to go all the way across, 2 blocks past that stone. Then we'll fill in this middle part with stone. Cross like that. Then we'll take out iron bars. I'm going to add that right behind that slab. Right to that little hole. And then we're going to add in iron bars on top. And it's going to go all the way across the stone brick slab. Cross like that. Then we'll add in 3 stone brick slabs diagonally inwards, a stone block here, and iron bar on top of the slab here. It goes all the way across to the end of that stone. Like that. Then we'll add a stone block on the inside part here. Then we'll add iron bars. It's gonna go make a corner here. It's also gonna go diagonally up like so. Then we'll add a stone brick slab here, and then 2 right side up stone brick stairs facing each other. Stone brick slabs on top, and stone brick slabs, 2 of them here. Then we'll add another 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll add another slab diagonally inwards and a stone block here. Then take iron bars, go across here. It's gonna go diagonally inwards. And it goes all the way across the stone. Like that. Then we'll add iron bars cornered here. And then stone brick slabs all the way across here, and then stone brick stairs. We'll add iron bars all the way across the stone brick. Connect them all together. Then we'll add in 3 stone blocks. Then we're going to add a stone block here on top, make it 6 blocks long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to go back over here, diagonally outwards, and add 3 blocks long right there. Then go diagonally inwards and add 2 here. Then a stone brick slab. And then 2 more stone. Then go inwards and add 3 blocks long. Like that. Then we'll add stone brick slab above here, make it 6 blocks long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then we'll add a stone block. Then we'll add a stone brick stairs to the side of that. And then we'll add stone brick slabs on the inside part. 2 blocks in the front and 1 block in the back, so it's 4 blocks long in total. Then I'm going to add stone 3 blocks long in front of that slab. So 1, 2, and 3. Then go diagonally inwards and add 5 stones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. And go up, and we're going to make this part 3 blocks long like that. And go on the top, make it 4 blocks long like so. Then we'll go underneath here, this slab, and add stone. Make it go all the way across to the back. Like that. And then we'll add some more stone top of that stairs. It's going to line up with that stone right here. Cross like that. We're to go and add a stone brick slab on top. Go diagonally inwards, add stone, and this part's gonna be, looks to be 4 blocks long. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Stone brick slabs on top. Goes 1 block past that stone like that. Then we'll go to this edge here and add stone. Make an L shape around that center area. I'm gonna go down up diagonally. Add another 2 stone here. Let's make it a 2x2 and add 1 sticking out in the front like that. Then we'd go diagonally inwards and add 2 blocks long like that. Add a stone right over here and then stone brick slab in the middle. So that there is a little tiny hole. Then we're going to go right over here, take stone, add it right here, make it 4 blocks long like that. And then we'll add another stone here. Stone brick slab inside there before and after that stone. Next we're going to add another brick fence in the middle. Make it 7 tall. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we'll add a dark oak fence gate in the middle of this 3 stone. And rod in the front and skeleton skull in the back of it. Then we'll change the stone brick slab to an upper slab. And let's add a stone brick block here. Stone brick slab, an upper slab behind it like that. And then we'll take light gray glass pane, just add 1 in the middle here. Add 1 here to the side. Another 1 on top of this stone. And then we'll add in 2 panes right over here. Then we'll skip a block, add another pane here, skip 1, another pane, skip 1, another pane. Then we'll skip 1, add another pane. Then we'll take nether brick slab, go right here in the front, add 1 here. I'm going to add a 3x3 right behind it. Actually, it's a 2x3 since we're just building one side of it. And we're going to add 1 here. And I'm going to add stone brick right here in the middle. Make it 2 blocks tall. Add a stone brick slab behind it. Added oak trapdoor on the side of it. Close it up like so. Then we'll add a stone block behind that stone. And let's add gray concrete. Make it 2 blocks wide here. And I'm going to make it 3 blocks wide here. And go line it up with this stone brick slab. And add gray concrete right here across. And just fill everything in the center like that. Then we'll add cobblestone wall. 2 blocks long right here. And behind this stone brick, we're going to add anvils. So it's going to be 1. And we're going to have 3 of them spaced apart like that. And then fill in the middle parts with anvils facing the other direction like so. So for our next layer, we'd go to this stone brick slab. Add 2 nether brick slabs to the side of it. And make it go all the way to the front. Then we're going to skip a block and add another row across. Like that. Then we'll move on to this stone brick slab here. Go 1 block after it. And right over here, we're going to add gray concrete all the way across the bottom half. And just fill it in right until that nether brick slab that we just placed. So this is going to be the deck. Cross like that and then fill in the spaces underneath. Gray concrete as well. Then we'll take out anvils, and we're gonna have kind of like the same design that we did in the front, just like spaced apart like this, and then other anvils facing the other direction. Then we'll add light gray glass pane here, skeleton skull right behind it. Another like gray glass pane here. Skip a block, add another one here. Skip a block, add another one here. And then 2 cobblestone walls right here to the side, and let's add another light gray glass pane right there in the middle. So next we're going to take nether brick slab, go to the side of this stone brick slab, and I'm going to line that up all the way to the front. Once we're at the front, we're going to go line it up all the way to the middle. Once we're at the middle, we're going to add a stone block right behind it with a stone button right on top. Then we'll add 2 nether brick slabs next to it, then a 2x2 of stone. Added iron bar to the outer edge, and dark oak fence gate opened it up on the inner edge. Then we'll add 2 blocks long of nether brick slab and extend that all the way to the center, like so. Then we'll add smooth quartz slab, make it go around the perimeter, and fill in the middle parts with nether brick slab. Cross like that. Then we'll move back over here, and right next to the middle part we're going to add a cobblestone wall with a stone brick slab on top. Let's add an anvil in the front of it and an anvil to the side of it, and I'm going to add this anvil all the way to the front every other block, and then I'm going to alternate the direction in between like that. So next we're going to open up a hole here, add a stone brick slab here, upside down stone brick stairs right above the hole, and below the hole we're going to fill that in with a gray concrete block. And the inside part of this, we're going to fill that in with an anvil on the inside part. So for our next layer, we're going to add 3 smooth quartz, then gray concrete, and then smooth quartz to the middle. Then we're going to go right over here, line it up with that slab, and we're going to add an additional 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then make this part go all the way back to the middle, like so. Then we'll take gray concrete, add 3 blocks here, and then red terracotta, just add 3 blocks right there to the middle, and you can fill this part in with gray concrete. Then we're going to add 2 red terracottas diagonally right there to the edge, and we'll fill in this middle part with gray concrete and gray concrete over here, and make it go all the way across to the center and fill all this in like that. And after we do that, we're going to add a stone block right here in the middle with a stone button on top like that. Then for our next layer, we'll take out another brick slab and add in, make an L shape here, and then we're going to extend this part 2 blocks wide towards the middle. Again, like that. Then behind it, we'll make a semicircle using stone. So make 2 blocks here, diagonally 3 blocks here, and then diagonally back another 2 like that. So semicircle. Then we'll add stone brick stairs in the middle, and stone brick stairs so that they're cornered like that. And then we'll add in stone right there in the corners like so. Then we'll add another brick slab to the back of this, and we could go all the way across to the side here. And then I'm going to make this nether brick slab 2 blocks long here, and then 2 full nether brick blocks with cobblestone wall on top. Now the rest of it is going to be nether brick slabs all the way across. So it should look like this. Then we'll fill in the middle part of it with nether brick slabs, cross like that. Alright, then we'll work on the side here. We're going to add stone brick stairs facing the back on top of that other stairs. And then we're going to make an L shape using stone. That upside down stone brick stairs here. On top, we're going to add 2 stone brick slabs like that. Stone brick stairs facing the front. And in the inside part, we're going to add stone 2 blocks tall like that. Then 2 stone in the front down below. And we want to have a cobblestone wall right there in the middle in the front. Stone brick slab here. stone brick stairs to the side, stone brick slab on top of here with 2 stone blocks behind it. Then we'll add an L shape of stone in the back, stone brick stairs to the side of it, another L shape of stone in the back of this, and stone brick stairs upside down right there, and in the back stone brick stairs, and we're going to wrap that around across like that. Now in the middle part we're going to add 2 nether brick stairs, goes down like that, and black concrete in the bottom like so. On top, fill that in with stone, cross like that, as well as this part, just fill it in with stone, and this little nook, fill that in with stone. Then you see where this hole is, we're going to fill that in with black concrete. Then we'll add in 2 nether brick slabs to the end of the gun, and then 6 stone brick slabs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, like so. So after we're done with the gun, let's work on the next layer. So take out gray concrete, go right here to the edge here, and we're gonna make it so it's gonna be 5 blocks long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Then I'm gonna add yellow terracotta, red terracotta, and yellow terracotta. Red terracotta here, yellow, red, and then yellow to side, red. The middle part, we're going to fill that in with cyan terracotta. Then go to the side here and add 2 red terracottas, and we're going to make it go diagonally towards the front. Red terracottas all the way across like that. Then we're going to fill in the middle part with gray concrete, and then go back over here to this stone and add gray concrete all the way across right here to the middle, and then connect these parts together, and we're just going to fill all this in with gray concrete all the way across like so. For the next layer, we're going to add another brick block to the corner here, 2 nether brick slabs, then stone all the way across to the middle. Go back over here and add cobblestone wall, 3 blocks tall. Add 1 to the side in the back of it, and we're going to add another 2 diagonally, like that. Then we're going to add a brick stairs in the middle with 11 stone blocks behind it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then go in the front here and add in stone bricks stairs right above that stone. Then we're going to make the VLS system, so I'm going to make a 2x4 of smooth stone slabs like that, and then we'll add stone, cross it, and then make another 2x4, and then stone across it, another 2x4, stone across it, and then another 2x4. So it should look like this. Then we'll add stone brick stairs in the back and make it go all the way across. Then the side, we're going to add in stone brick stairs all the way across the side of it. Now I'm going to add stone underneath that stairs all the way across. And then we're going to go in the middle part and replace the stairs with a brick stairs. Then add in stone buttons right here in each row like that, 4 blocks across. And we'll have 3 sets of these. Then we'll add in another brick slab. Go line up with this smooth stone slab right here. And it's going to line up with that other slab on the edge. And we're going to fill all this middle part in with nether brick slabs. Alright, so after you filled it in, it should look like this. So next we're going to take gray concrete, go to this stone brick, and make it go all the way across to the center. And then make it go towards the front, where the missile system is. And we're pretty much going to fill all this in with gray concrete. After we filled it in, it should look like this. And my throat is actually getting pretty sore right now. I've been filming for so long. But yeah, let's work on start of this, I guess, superstructure. So go to the side of this stone brick, and I'm going to add polish andesite. Make it 2x3. Then we'll add 2 stone buttons in front of that. Then we'll take stone brick and make it go all the way across. Then we'll take out stone and add one here, and then red terracotta, and then stone all the way across. Like that. Go to this outer edge and add 8 blocks tall of stone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to go all the way across to the center. Like so. And then we're going to go all the way down. Like that. Then we're going to add a layer of stone brick on top. Like so. Then we're going to go right over here to this stone brick and add 8 blocks tall of stone on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to go diagonally inwards and add stone brick, and we're going to match it up all the way back to the front stone brick. Like so. Then we'll make this upper part 3 blocks long of stone. Diagonally down, add 3 blocks long again. Diagonally down, 3 blocks long again. And then we're going to go all the way down to that stone brick. And it's going to be diagonally from that, like so. Then we'll go back over here and add 5 blocks long of stone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make it 2 blocks tall. Then we're going to add 6 stone in the front of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, like that. Alright, so after we finish that, what we're going to do to fill this part in, and this part in, and this front part in with stone. After we filled it in with stone, go to the middle. Skip these 2 stone. And add dark oak fence gate, open it up. Skip 1 stone, skeleton skull, and add another skeleton skull above the door, like that. Then we'd go up to this top layer, and let's place a block here and add in end rods, like that. And we want to extend it so it's going to be 6 blocks long. So this is 3, 4, 5, and 6, like that. Alright, so next we're going to fill in the rest of the hole with stone. As you can see, we already made the skeleton of it, and we just need to add in the stone in the hole. So if you go like to over here, just fill in the inner part with stone, and make sure you're doing the same thing like that. Go across, and do not touch these parts with those slabs, because that's already filled in. So just pretty much go across the hole like this on the inner part. All of that all the way across, including the parts in the back. So here's what it looks like after I filled all of it in. And yeah, that's actually it for part 1. You'll have to watch the other parts to finish up this build, because it is quite long to do a tutorial on. My voice is getting quite hoarse right now. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, thanks to Sketchzi for the original design, and we will see you guys in part 2 of this tutorial. Later.